Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So we did eventually have a pretty nice little push up today on the euro dollar. It didn't end up going down and making that wave C like I was originally thinking. Now that we are closing above the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down over here, normally when price closes above the 78% Fibonacci retracement of an impulsive move down, it will normally end up taking out the highs. So I think that at this point it probably is going to break structure. That doesn't mean that it may not possibly make a move down before it goes up, but I think that we are likely to get another push up. We're likely to get a break of structure. Now, tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so hopefully we'll get some volatility tomorrow because the dollar pairs have been probably about 2.5 weeks of basically sideways corrective, very, very overlapping, slow corrective patterns. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get some volatility. This definitely still could be an A, B, C correction. So maybe we'll go up, we'll break structure, reject structure, and end up continuing the downtrend at the non-farm payroll tomorrow. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.